G'day, I'm Pete Techman Coman here at Integrate 2023 and I'm with Rob Mayer from MadisonAV. Welcome, Rob.
Thanks, Pete.
To the Tech Effect.
Yeah,
this is a great show so far.
Awesome.
Right?
It's been really busy for the first day.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, Rob, we've done a stand tour. Mark and I went around and had a look at all the products, and one product that really caught my eye was the Humley product. I haven't heard of Humley before, but it's a great looking product.
Yeah, and it's catching a lot of people's eyes. A lot to do with the design as well. Humley are a Swedish brand. We've brought them to Australia in the last couple of months, and their focus is very much on room booking displays and workplace technologies. It's about the aesthetics and the design. Very simple, clean lines, easy to understand information, easy to program and customize, but an ecosystem that goes with it. So beyond that, we've got now room booking devices which are suitable for desktop, under desk, as well as wall-mounted solutions. All those spaces that were very hard to book traditionally can now be enabled through a device like that.
Okay. And I'm guessing that it works with like Microsoft, like with Outlook or Office 365,
Exchange, Google as well. Exactly.
All the standard kind of
that's
calendar, reservation.
And then behind you, they've got some clever designs from a visual perspective. So when you start thinking about open workspaces and hot desking, it's very hard to know which desk, which location to book. Here they've got a 3D render, so a client can send us a 2D floor plan, they'll render it in 3D, and now you can actually see all of those bookable spaces, color-coded with what's in use at the moment, what's available, or we could give you a wayfinding approach, like an airport information board, where you can see all of the meeting rooms, what meetings are currently underway, where they're located, which rooms are free, and where to go to from there. So it's a complete ecosystem to make it easier to find the right room, make a selection, book it quickly, and have your meeting.
And I'm guessing there's probably an app for all this as well.
Yeah,
so this is for the desktop.
That's right.
There is a web interface.
There's an app that can be installed on Teams, so that then the clients can find all of that information and book it themselves via that Teams interface, as well as a control panel that administrators can then manage the whole system, be it in room or across campuses or across countries for that matter.
Right. And the panels themselves, I'm guessing they're PoE panels?
They're PoE panels, that's right. Okay. Yep, they can be powered, and the same thing for the booking devices as well.
Okay, all right. And you said they were designed in Sweden?
Designed in Sweden, correctly. Manufactured in Europe. They've won a lot of awards. They've also got a secure version of it designed for government, military environments as well.
Okay.
And they've met all of the key security requirements necessary for this type of product.
Look, it's a great looking product. It just looks good.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, I know there's a lot of competition out there for room booking panels and things like that, but to me, this looks amazing.
And that's the feedback we've had all day. It's just very clean, very easy to read and understand, and it's very simple to use. So, for example, if I want to see the calendar for the rest of the day for that room, I can scan through it. Or if that room's busy, why don't I look up what other rooms are available within my office space, and I'll choose to book one of those from this particular panel. Or even have a look at what equipment is in that room, and if there's a problem with the Wi-Fi, for example, let's flag that, and we'll book it to we'll register it to an administrator. So
I haven't seen that with any of the other room booking systems. I mean, that's a really good idea, because what tends to happen, something doesn't work in the room, and they just kind of walk out, go and find another room, and no one's notified.
Exactly.
And this is a great way of drawing attention to that.
It's simple, but it's uncomplicated, and it's about getting your meeting started efficiently and giving you the information you need.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And where can people find out more information about Humley?
All of this is on the MadisonAV website, so MadisonAV.com.au, and you'll find the full suite of Humley products there.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So if you're at Integrate 2023, come down to the MadisonAV stand and check out Humley. Find Rob, he'll tell you all about it.
Absolutely.
Or head to the MadisonAV website, MadisonAV.com.au.